It's not your fault for not knowing the dangers of being on multiple medication, living with pain, digestive issues, stress, and anxiety. In fact, people don't realize that Chinese medicine is a treatment option for all of these conditions. They believe that they must live with the pain that comes with their condition forever. I'm going to tell you about 3 things that will decrease your toxic load, which is oftentimes the root cause of pain. I'm going to tell you how other countries compared to our health system, what toxicity in the body looks like, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about the most popular misconceptions people have about a healthier life and what you can do to become independent in health. My name is Antonika Chanel, and I'm a traditional Chinese medicine practitioner, and I influence people all over the world, just like you, how to achieve optimal health using a holistic approach. We are born with a perfect set of health. In the US, disease is higher than in other countries like the Netherlands, Australia, Sweden, and Japan. We're talking about disease like congestive heart failure, diabetes, hypertension. Hospital admission for preventable disease is more frequent in the US than in any other country. And this is directly from the healthsystemtracker.org. The US has high rates of people on medication with lab errors, and they're given the wrong medication with the wrong dose. In other countries, adults have quicker access to doctors when they need care, whereas ER visits in places a regular doctor visit is more common in the US. But you know, it's not your fault. You have the choice to move beyond your current belief system to something better. Let's take a look at one particular issue most people deal with. Let's talk about pain. But let me begin by saying this. Along the journey of life, we pollute our body with toxins. Imagine having a jar with 7.3 alkaline solution, and every day you pollute your body with toxins. Slowly the jar becomes acidic. But the body is clever. It has a way of diluting the acid. And if we take the acid and we put it on your skin, do you think your skin will burn? Well, of course it will. But if you take the same amount of acid and dilute it in water, is it going to burn as much? Well, probably not. So in an attempt to dilute the acid, the body retains water. Now, water has size, weight, and volume. And as the body increases in acidity, the body will retain water. In an attempt to dilute the acid, the body weight goes up and joints become swollen. So water will only dilute the acid, and the body needs alkaline mineral to break down the acid. So if you're in an acidic state, you have inflammation in your body. And inflammation is caused by acidity. Have you ever taken over-the-counter medication? Medication like headache medication? Well, these are compounds, synthetic compounds that increase the body's acidity level. And this is the battle that we are facing against toxicity. So by taking herbs, you reduce your inflammation and you reduce the acidity. So start challenging your doctors to help you reducing the dose of medication that you're on and taking regular blood tests over the next 6 months with a regimented juicing program. When we effectively deliver healthcare, then disease can be prevented. But what can you do? Let's talk about you. You can start by taking control of your health by incorporating holistic alternatives and experiencing high energy and focus. But there are some misconceptions about having better health, like it's expensive and it wasn't recommended to me by another authority who knows more about my health. Well, you're wrong. Natural solutions do work. Most people say they don't. And health is not expensive, especially if you're thinking about competing in a world of surgeries and medication. So what you need is the right kind of herbal formulas for your pattern to shift your diet from animal-based foods to plant-based foods, to start juicing, and to see a board-certified acupuncturist to help you treat your acute pain. If you can establish this over the next 30 days, you will make massive strides in your health. I invite you to leave your false beliefs behind, because I have helped thousands of patients around the world, and I know that I can help you. My job is to help you better understand the gap between where you are and where you want to be by inspiring you to take action And the more educated you are, the more you have the right tools, you will achieve success. And I teach you how to reach your health goals, and I help you increase your understanding. I have a program and it's free. It's called the 5-Step Process, and it's in the description. So it was made just for you in mind. And if you're ready to make that choice, if you're ready to move in the right direction about your health, then I would like to give that to you for free. So go and check it out in the description below, and thanks for watching.